In today's Keto Guide, we look into Custom Keto Diet Plan. The Custom Keto Diet is a brand new product that allows anyone to create their very own keto diet plan based on their food preferences, daily activity levels, height, weight and target weight goals. With a custom keto meal plan, it is possible to have complete control over your figure and health. This custom diet plan helps you in understanding how much fat you want to lose from the body. If you begin your custom keto diet today, you will get the following things. 1. 8-week meal plan, from the industry leaders. This is an 8-week meal plan, which has been made based on expertise and experience of industry leaders. When we talk of industry leaders, it includes personal trainers, nutritionists and chefs from the best places. This is done for ensuring that optimal progress is made towards the attempts of gaining your dream healthy lifestyle. 2. Optimized meal diet plan. An optimized diet as per one's own ideal macros and calorie intake. Many people mess up with the macro and calorie intake, and in that case there is no point in starting a diet. This meal plan is completely based on science and scientific methods for figuring the right calorie and macro intake for your health goals and situations. 3. Select your favorite foods. The meals are customized as per food preferences so that you don't lose interest in food intake. The diet becomes highly enjoyable and you can maintain the long-lasting change. Guidelines on how meals can be customized further. For every keto meal, there is option for further customization of the diet as per one's preferences. For instance, bacon can be replaced with beef and so on. Lots of variety of food in the keto meal plan. A wide variety of food items are present in the keto meal plan. This is done so that the body gets various kinds of nutrients and the dieting also remains an enjoyable experience. 4. Step-by-step recipes. Clear and concise, step-by-step recipe instructions. The keto diet is so easy to prepare that even if you are novice about cooking, you will have no problem at all. You can prepare the keto meal in no time at all. Get the grocery list for the diet downloaded onto your device, anytime, anywhere. The grocery list for the diet is downloadable so you do not need to waste time in the supermarket thinking what to buy and what to avoid. For every week of the keto diet, you will be given a shopping list. The list will include details of all the needed ingredients that will be required in the coming 7 days. Get 8-week custom keto meal plan in no time. Visit the link in description to get this keto diet resource.